Hi guys, good morning guys. Today is the second day of Wayanad and we woke up in the morning, ate breakfast and we came to this place to see the waterfall. And it's also raining really heavily today. That's why we bought this hat and we only have one umbrella. But this hat isn't fitting for me. It's so big. And look, see a small waterfall behind me. Look. We came to see a big waterfall, not this one, but this one is good. I mean, how the water is going like that. The water is just whee. The waterfall name is Kanthanpara. They have 100 meters to walk. Now we are walking. It's going to be too much. I think these waters are forming the waterfall. They'll go to the waterfall and the water will come in the waterfall. I just want to go see it. How beautiful this view. It's misty, so it makes the view so beautiful. Oh, the water is going there. It's falling down to form a waterfall. Guys, the view is so beautiful because it's so misty. Wait, the water is going there. Yeah. Wow, it's so beautiful. There's a lot of water coming from here. From there, the water is coming little, but from here, it's too much. Guys, see the view? It's so beautiful. We are walking more deep so that we could see the full waterfall. Wait, how am I supposed to go from here? I'm scared. Help! Guys, I will show you something beautiful. Are you ready? Look! It's a big waterfall. So that was Kanthanpara Waterfall and we are going to the next place. Did you like the waterfall? Now let's go to the next place. Come on. Here. We reached in the next place and this place name is Karappuzha Dam. And there's a lot of park here. Look. The name is little bit difficult. I can't pronounce it, like Karappuzha Dam. Finally, I did it. So the place name is I forgot again. Karappuzha Dam. Karappuzha Dam. Yeah. Now I understand. What is that? There are so many flowers here and one of them is orange. I don't know its name. It's my first time seeing it. Oh, look. There's so many places to play. Let me follow them. Wait for me! Wait for me! Tower over here. It's so huge. I can't even see because of the sun. Beautiful flowers. I love the light pink one. It's so beautiful. And the yellow and the dark pink. I think I love all of them. They're just so beautiful. Up and see. It's steep stairs. How many? I have to go like a circle. Oh, my leg. Oh, I can. My leg is already paining. Oh, finally. Ma! See the dam view? It's so beautiful. There is a lot of water flowing. Everything is green. Green, green, green. I love the view from here. So beautiful. Let's go and see the dam site. We are in the top of the dam. Look. It's so spacious over here. Lot of space to walk. See the river on the right side. It's so big. So this is the Karappuzha Dam. Karappuzha Dam. I'll show you something. Look, it's a grass house. Let's go inside. Ooh, so deep. Hope there is no insects. Oh. That's it. It's just a house. Ah, this is the rose garden. It's so beautiful. Made a grass bench over here and now they're saying don't sit here. Why? Should I try to sit? Should I? Oh, maybe because of the stems. It's sharp. Bro, it's not even sharp when I touch it. My mama and my tata and my brother is going to zip line. Look, they're there. My mother is pink. My brother is black. So where's my sister? They are going too fast. Mama! Hi! Hi, Mama! Mama! Oliver. Hi, Mama! Hi, son! Guys, next my tata and my brother is coming. Look! Tata, good luck!
സനുണ്ടല്ലേ
Tata. Guys, that was super funny and now I'm tired. I jumped so high like this. So guys, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.